Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is the Volcann tabletop pizza oven. So this is a quick intro video. So you can see we've built a stack of kindling and we lit that, and we simply post the drawer into the back and shut the door. We manufacture this in the UK. It's very fun and easy to use. So we have two air vents for control, so we open them full to get it going. There's a pizza stone, that is an optional extra, and then we put the pizza in, simple as that. It takes 6 minutes to cook and it comes out premium. The door is removable, we supply a tool to open and close that, so you can lift that off, easy clean on maintenance. The chimney does come off also. It's made from steel and it will rust over time, and it will gain a rusty patina like I'm showing you here. If you want to lessen the effect or change the effect, you can simply put linseed oil on. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let us know.